Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting at your Google account settings. Sign in now and go straight to security. Once there, find two-step verification and click Get Started. This begins the flow that ties a second factor to your login. Make sure your recovery email and phone are current because Google may prompt verification. If prompted, re-enter your password to confirm it's you. This step prevents unauthorized changes and lets you choose authentication methods in the next phase. Now you choose how Google will verify you. Pick a primary method such as SMS, voice call, or an authenticator app for stronger security. Install and scan a QR code if you use an authenticator, and enter the generated code to verify. Once done, add at least one backup method, backup codes, a secondary phone number, or a hardware security key, because they rescue access when your primary device is unavailable. Make sure each method shows finish by toggling two-step verification on. Google will present a summary of enabled methods. Review it and confirm activation. Once active, test signing in on a different browser or device to ensure the prompts and codes work as expected. If something fails, use your saved backup codes or alternate phone to regain access and update settings immediately. If you still can't sign in, start account recovery and follow prompts. Keep proof of account ownership handy to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.